Did you know that you can build a full landing page just like this, and even this with just one prompt in AI Studio? Literally whatever idea you have, you can go from idea to an actual live landing page or website in seconds with just one prompt in AI Studio. All you have to do is build a good prompt with good context, like telling it what you want to build the website for, what the business model is, what the vision is, key features, any things like lead magnets and forms. And you can even use AI to make this prompt for you. And in this example, I built a 6-page website with just one prompt that looks really good and even includes a free lead magnet. And I kid you not, that was done in just one prompt using AI Studio. And to build this one master prompt to build whatever website you're trying to do, you can even use other AI models. So describe what you're trying to build, whether it's a marketing page, a landing page, a funnel, include some design language like light mode versus dark mode, colors, things like that. And once you have a prompt, you can send it straight to AI Studio using GoHighLevel, and it can create your entire landing page with literally just one prompt. Comment the word vibe on this video, and I'll send you some free resources on how you can get started vibe coding using GoHighLevel.